Hello, so today we are going to see the Japanese drama which was adapted from the manga. On number 6 we have What Did You Eat Yesterday? It is a Japanese manga series written and illustrated by the Fumi Yoshinaga. The slice of a life series focuses on the relationship between the Shiro Kakai and Kenji Yabuki, a middle-aged gay couple living in Tokyo, Japan. The manga has been serialized in the manga world in 2017 and it was adapted into the live action television drama by Sho- Shochiku that aired on TV Tokyo in 2019. Both the manga and its live action adaptation have received a widespread critical acclaim, winning a Kodansha Manga Award, a Galaxy Award, and multiple Television Drama Academy Awards. So go and watch this drama. It is a really worth watching drama, and it is a food, comedy, romance life drama. On number 5 we have Konodori Doctor Stroke. It is a Japanese series manga written and illustrated by the Yu Suzunoki. It is serialized in Weekly Morning magazine published by Kodansha since 2012 July 26. It has award-winning manga which won the best general manga at the 40th Kodansha Manga Awards, and it was released of July 2019. It is then adapted by the TV drama. The TV drama adaptation aired on the Tokyo Broadcasting System from October 16 to December 18, 2015. It was followed by the second series from October to December 2017. On March 2020, it was announced that it will the Sakura Konotori is a gynecologist and also a pianist known as a baby. He is the leader of his gynecologist team and respected by his every fellow. One day he begins to play the piano at a club in Tokyo. 10 minutes later he stops playing and take a call from the hospital on whether to accept a pregnant woman. The pregnant woman has never had an examination, so they don't know which month is going on. His mother had died at childbirth and he was brought up in orphanage, which is what fueled his ambition to be gynecologist. He hopes to be able to deliver every baby to this world. So Sakura decides to accept the pregnant woman even though there is a high risk. He asks the neonatology team for help. The Takeyuki Imashi is the leader of a neonatology team and he prepares for the woman to give birth. On number 4 we have Nodame Cantabile. It is also a Japanese manga series written and illustrated by the Tomoko Ninomiya. It was serialized in Japan by Kodansha in the magazine Kiss from July 2001 to October 2009. It is received the 2004 Kodansha Manga Award for the best shoujo manga. The series depicts the relationship between the two aspiring classical musicians Megumi Nodome and Shinji Chikeya as the university students and after graduation. The Shinichi Chiyaka, he is an arrogant multilingual perfectionist, is a top student at Momogomi College of Music and has a secret ambition to become a music conductor. Born into a musical family, he is talented in piano and violin and once lived abroad in the music capital of the world as a young boy, but is trapped in Japan because of his childhood phobia of airplanes. And Megumi Noda is a girl who is also called as a Nodame, is a piano student at the Mogogaoka, notorious for messiness and also the mischievous behavior. Despite being very talented, Nodame preferred to play by ear rather than according to the musical score. Thus, she is regarded as a sloppy and a playful and a naughty girl but talented girl. They both meet each other by the accident and the Miyogomi, the girl, start to like him from that moment, but he is not all interested. After that, they met again and again and the feelings and the relationship start to grow day by day, and because of Megumi, he get a chance to lead a student orchestra, and what happened next will blow your mind. So go and watch this drama and enjoy the story, the award winning story. And the series has been adapted as the 4 different television series as an award-winning Japanese live-action drama that aired in 2006. It is really a worth watching drama. Go and watch drama and you will really love it. It's a musical and a comedy romance drama. On number 3 we have The Town Where Only I Am Missing, which is also known as Erase. The Town Where Only I Am Missing is a Japanese manga series written and illustrated by the Ki Sanbei live-action drama series, which was released by Netflix on December 15, 2017. The story follows the Satoru Fujinuma, a young man living in Chiba who somehow possesses an ability known as revival, which sends him back in the time moment before a life-threatening incident, enabling him to prevent it from happening again. When his mother is murdered by an unknown in his own house, the Satoru's ability suddenly sends him back in the past 18 years into the past, so that he can go and change the situation. So he went in the past and now an elementary schooler in Hokkaido again. This gave him the opportunity to not only save his mother but also prevent a kidnapping incident that took the life of three of his childhood friends, two classmates and one young girl studying at a different school nearby him. So go and watch this suspense thriller drama, fantasy supernatural drama and see what he will do to save his mother, his friend, and what other step he takes and go on a past and how he changes situation and what happened next. This is a really fantastic drama series. On number 2 we have Love Will Last Forever. The Love Will Last Forever is also a Japanese manga which is also known as an incurable case of love. In this, the Nanase Sakura is a 23-year-old rookie nurse. She met Dr. Kairi Tendo several years ago and fell in love with him at the moment she met him. To meet him again, she studied hard and became a nurse. After 5 years, she finally meets the Kairi Tendo again, but he has totally different personality than what she imagined. Kairi Tendo, who is 31-year-old, is commonly referred to as a devil at work. He is a level-headed perfectionist and often makes biting remarks to doctor and nurse. And Nanase Sakura work hard to receive the recognition from him so he can recognize her and like her. She also expresses her feeling honestly to him. Due to her persistence, Nanase Sakura became well known at the hospital and she picked up the nickname of the warrior. Meanwhile, the Kairi Tendo become attracted to her and become the like her behavior, the every mischievous thing what she does. He also start to like her, and it is based on the manga series Koiwa Suzuku yo Doko Mademo by Mikey Enjoji, first published on September 9, 2016 by Shogakukan. So go and watch this drama, and this is a very hit drama. I know many of them have watched, and if you have not watched this drama, go and watch this drama. It will really love it. On number 1 we have the Kyokara Oreva. It is my personal drama. It is a very comedy drama, the friendship drama. In this, it is a Japanese shonen manga series written and illustrated by the Hiroyuki Nishimori. The series was initially published in a Shogakukan's Shonen Sunday Zohan, running monthly from September 1988 to August 1990. The series was then promoted to the weekly magazine Weekly Shonen Sunday from September 1990 to November 97. So it is very classic manga series, but the drama is also very good and you can enjoy everything in that drama. So in this, the two boys Takashi Mitsuhashi and Shinju Ito meet each other at a salon. It turns out both boys are transferring to a new school and decide to take the opportunity to reinvent themselves. No longer will they be the run of the mill high school student, and they will become the biggest delinquents Japan has ever seen. They will become the biggest criminal you have ever seen. But yes, this is not a serious criminal drama. It is a comedy drama, school drama, friendship drama, youth drama. You will surely going to love this drama. So go and watch.